Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading the book Easter Bunny, well because it's obviously close to Easter. So here it is, Easter Bunny, stories, jokes, games, and more. Okay, here's the table of contents. Chapter 1, The Easter Bunny. Pasquale, otherwise known as the Easter Bunny, loved the cool air, budding flowers, chirping birds, even the rain in the springtime. He especially loved his special job of preparing for Easter. He was always very happy, even when he was in up to his ear tips in colorful dyes of pinks, purples, blues, and greens, even when there was Easter basket grass everywhere, even when his fur was sticky from all the chocolate bunnies he had made. Pasquale, Pasquale, did you hear? There's going to be snow on Easter this year. Whiskers, Pasquale's best bunny friend, was frantic as he told Pasquale the news. Whiskers, cold snow and ice will make Easter delivery not very nice, Pasquale replied. Pasquale, you see, had always delivered all candy through a tunnel system that he and his father and his father's fathers and his father's fathers were all Easter bunnies, had developed throughout the years. All of Pasquale's bunny friends would help deliver the candy through his tunnel. They would arrive at each home through their bunny burrow just in time to deliver their baskets to each and every child. Pasquale didn't know what to do. He was so sick with worry that he even started having a hard time packaging all the Easter baskets in his normal happy mood. No, Pasquale didn't feel very happy. He felt very worried. So worried, in fact, that he felt like climbing to his burrow and going to sleep until Easter Sunday was over. He would have to if it wasn't for Whiskers. What will I do? Pasquale complained to Whiskers. There's no way to deliver the baskets that we've made. No way to deliver these candies and treats. No way to deliver if it snows on Easter. No way to deliver it. It's never been done. I can't do it. Oh, this is not fun. Whiskers turned to his friend, who was normally very happy, thumped his foot 2 times, and thought. Now, Pasquale, you listen to me. You can do this. You can. You will deliver this candy. Pasquale just stared, and he worried some more. I can't do it. I can't. It hasn't been done before. Who cares if it has been done? Whiskers said to his friend. You can do it. You can. There's a reason, you see. There's a reason that you are the Easter Bunny. Now, Pasquale, he wanted to believe that Whiskers was right, but he just couldn't see it. Whiskers, oh Whiskers, you don't understand. Oh Whiskers, you don't understand. It's never been done. I know if I can. Pasquale's ears were now bent and flopping to the side. Pasquale did not feel very happy inside. Pasquale, let's take a moment now to think. If we can't get here through the burrows, what can we do different? Whiskers asked. One of the Pasquale's floppy ears perked up at a suggestion. Whiskers, oh Whiskers, I'm scared you don't see. What if I can't deliver candy? Pasquale, you listen to me. You can do this, you can. Just wait and see. Whiskers, he thumped his foot and He thumped some more as he thought. Whiskers, you're right. I can't let them down. I can't be the reason all those little kids frown. So Pasquale and Whiskers stayed up half the night trying to think about a new way to get the baskets to children in the snow. We could bring shovels, Whiskers shouted, or a heater. Maybe we could melt the snow. Pasquale shook his head from side to side. If only I can think of something, I'd feel more happy inside. Thoughts when all of a sudden, Pasquale screamed, "That's it! Whiskers, you're a genius! Why didn't I see it before? Bunnies aren't just known for their burrows, but their happiness and much more. Whiskers, oh Whiskers, oh Whiskers, you were such a good friend. I was scared and worried to no end. You stayed here beside me. You worked through the night. Oh Whiskers, you're such a delight. There may be a reason I'm the Easter Bunny, like you say, but you were my friend in the exact same way. Pasquale, Pasquale, hop to it. Off you go, and if ever you need me, your friend's Whiskers. Pasquale, Pasquale, hop it off you go, and if ever you need me, your friend Whiskers will know." Now Pasquale was thankful for his friend's help and advice, but now it was Easter morning. Since they had been up the whole night planning, Pasquale didn't have a chance to clean his fur before setting out to deliver the candy. So Pasquale hopped from one end of the world to the next with his baskets, happily all the way. It's true, many people say that year, even though it's blur, an Easter bunny was seen with colorful fur. And even again, Pasquale would doubt it in his own words. I'd give Whiskers a shout. Pasquale happily made all of his deliveries in the snow. So we finished the story, and now here are some funny Easter jokes. Question. What is Easter Bunny's favorite sport? Basketball. Don't you get it? Basket and then a ball, like it's basically an egg in a basket. Okay, question for number 2. Question. What do you get if you cross the Easter Bunny with the famous French general? Napoleon Bonaparte. I didn't really get it with that much, but whatever. Why did the Easter Bunny cross the road? Because the chicken had his Easter eggs. The chicken had his eggs, and the Easter Bunny has eggs with chocolate or treats inside. How does the Easter Bunny stay healthy? Exercise. Okay, for number 5. Question. What has long ears, hops around, and likes the internet? The Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny. For number 7 or 6. Why did the Easter Bunny have to fire the duck? Because he kept quacking the eggs. Okay, question. How is Easter like whipped cream on a cherry? Because it's always on a sundae. The sundae the sundae with whipped cream and then cherry, and it's also and Easter's on a Sunday, so. Okay, question. How should you send a letter to the Easter Bunny? By hair mail. By a male bunny mail. Okay, question. Who delivers Easter treats to all the fish in the sea? The Oyster Bunny. Question. What happened when the Easter Bunny met a rabbit of his dream? They lived happily ever after. Question. How did the wet bunny dry himself? With a hair dryer. Why was the Easter Bunny so upset? He was having a bad hair day. Okay, how many bunnies do you see? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, there's so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wait, I think the 21st is Sunday, right? Because I'm guessing that on the 21st, it's Easter, so I think that's why. Oh, here's a maze. I think I know how to get through this. Okay, found my way. Wait, just a second. And then I got there. So it's basically you go down, then you go somewhere here, then you go up, and then you go that way. Can you find your way through the maze again? Okay, that one was quite easy. This one was quite easy. Another maze. How much mazes are there? 5 more mazes. I mean, not really 5, but whatever. There you go. Okay, got in that one. Oh, I forgot to see the answers under here. And it says 21. That's correct. I didn't see this. Wait, why is there answers for this one? It shows there's an answer for this one here, but not for the rest. I don't think so. There you go. It shows the answers. Oh, because maybe I already did it. Oh, you're supposed to start from here. There's the answer for that, and there's for those. Yep, here's some other ones by this author, Uncle Amon. About the author. Uncle Amon began his career with a vision. It was to influence and create a positive change in the world through children's books by sharing fun and inspiring stories. Whether it is important lesson or just creating laughs, Uncle Amon provides insightful stories that are sure to bring a smile to your face. His unique style and creativity stand out from other children's book authors because he uses real-life experiences to tell a tale of imagination and adventure. He made his own quote, "I always shoot for the moon, and if I miss, I'll land in the stars." That's why there's a star here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!